Hello, here's my game. On the main menu, we have a play button and a quit button. If you press quit, it exits. If we press play, the game starts. Okay, so we have a background sound. I'm going to make it lower because I have. Okay, so when we collect the gems, it makes a sound. You can hear. We have the amount of gems we have to pick it up to trigger a gate on the final of the in the end of the scene. We have to pick 12 gems. When you get close to the NPC, we have an invisible collider that shows us a message, as you can see. If you leave, the message disappears. So if we collect all the gems, as I'm gonna show now, you see the number is going down every gem we collect. We have another NPC here with the same collider and a different message. Now, when I pick the last gem, this gate's going to it's going to disappear. And as you can see, I've made different animations for every NPC. Okay, the gate disappears. We have the last NPC. When we get close, we get this message, and he has a different animation. Here we have a trigger that changes levels, and the last scene is this. Thank you.